Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing something a little different, but still connected, because I'm reviewing the Neptune 4 Pro 3D printer.
Let's talk about the unboxing.
As soon as I opened the box, everything was packed really well. No damage, no missing parts, and the foam protection was solid. The printer comes mostly pre-assembled, so putting it together was quick. All the tools, screws, and even some test filament were included. I like that Elegoo gives you clear instructions, and honestly, I had it fully assembled and ready to print in about 15 to 20 minutes. Everything felt sturdy right out of the box, especially the metal frame. No wobble, no cheap parts. For the price, that first impression was already a win.
If you are into drones like me,
You already know how often we need to print parts, mounts, camera holders, and all kinds of custom pieces. That's why I picked up this printer, and let me tell you, I'm impressed. This thing is insanely fast. I printed a Benchy in just 17 minutes, no joke. My old printer used to take over 2 hours for that same print. For the price, this is honestly the best choice out there right now. It was easy to set up, it's solid, and it just works. So far, I've done over 8 hours of printing without any issues. No clogs, no weird noises, nothing. It's been smooth the whole way. If you're building and flying FPV drones and need a reliable printer that can keep up with your projects, the Neptune 4 Pro is a game changer.
one thing I noticed right away.
Is that top-mounted cooling fan. It's powerful and keeps everything cool even during high-speed prints. You can actually hear it kick in when the printer's pushing those fast moves, and it does a great job preventing overheating. That's super important when you're printing drone parts fast and nonstop. Another feature I really like is how easy it is to print straight from the PC using the printer's IP address. No need to keep swapping SD cards or USBs. I just slice the file, send it over the network, and boom, it starts printing. It's simple, quick, and perfect for anyone working on multiple prints or tweaking designs on the fly. Let's talk about the price. For what this printer offers, it's honestly a steal. You're getting high-speed printing, solid build quality, and great features for way less than other machines in the same category. I got mine for under 230 bucks, and that's crazy considering the performance. And the shipping? Super fast. I ordered it from a US warehouse, and it showed up at my door in just a few days. No long wait times, no overseas delays, just quick delivery and straight to unboxing. That made the whole experience even better because I needed it fast for a drone project, and it came right on time. I'll keep testing and sharing what I discover, but for now, it's a solid 10 out of 10. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more drone content, flight videos, and yes, more printing experiments.
I'll catch you in the next one.